Hi friends, I'm CA Balaji. In the following series of videos, we are going to discuss about charge of GST. Before discussing about the charge of GST, we need to understand about the connecting string between supply, classification of supply into goods or services, and charge of GST. Let's discuss in detail. The introduction of goods and service tax is a significant reform in the field of indirect tax in our country. Multiple taxes levied and collected by the center and state government is replaced by one tax called the GST. For example, excise duty and service taxes levied and collected by center, whereas VAT and entertainment tax is levied and collected by the state government, which is now subsumed under GST. Because of that, India has adopted dual GST model where center and state simultaneously levy the taxes on supply of goods or supply of services or both. So, in case of intrastate supply, where the location of the supplier and the consumption is taking place in a single state or single union territory, CGST and SGST UTGST is levied. Where in case of interstate supply, where two states, one state and one union territory and two union territories is involved, IGST is levied, which is managed by the center. Now let's discuss about flow of charge of GST. The flow of charge of GST starts with GST Act where it mentioned supply as taxable event. So after we identified the taxable event, now we need to classify the supply into supply of goods or supply of services. Why this classification is required? Because in some cases supply of services is taxable whereas supply of goods is not taxable. Example, importation of services is taxable whereas importation of goods is not taxable. Also, in some cases, to identify the place of supply, we need to have this classification. For example, in the place of supply of restaurant and catering services is always considered as where the services are actually performed. In other words, it is intrastate supply. So after classification of supply of goods or supply of services, we need to identify whether it is intrastate supply or interstate supply. Based on that, we need to chart CGST and SGST, UTGST or IGST. So with that, we have come to the conclusion of this video. We will discuss more about the charge of GST in the coming videos. Thank you. You can reach me out at cabalaji@gmail.com. Also, you can visit my blog onetaxpointindia.blogspot.com.